Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. Today we are going to learn about the object type. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we are defining the object type, right? So here we have taken the person as an object, and here we are defining the type of it. Like I want the name to be a string, age should be a number, gender should be a string. If you want to type, you can just mention it over like I would gender should be a, whether if you want that it should be a male or female, then you can also go with that one. Okay, so here I will just put the string, right? This is the first way, annotation, right? If I want that like person console.log person dot gender. Okay, if I want to console this log and I'm assigning this value should be like male. Okay, so you can see that there is no error. If I assigned a number over here like 1, what it says, type number is not assignable to the type string. Okay, so whenever we are just defining the type of it, so you can see that there is a strict type checking, right? It should be a number is not assignable to a string, so we can't assign a number to that one, so we have to add any of the string. Okay, so that is the main purpose for this TypeScript object type, right? This is the one way. If you want to define, if you have the static values, right, that you are assigning, so you can use another way, this one, same way. Okay, so here we have defining the type, and here we are assigning the values on the same node, and then we are able to get the values like this. So if I want to get the number, so console.log, I want gender, so here person 2 dot, if you want to get any of the variables, so it is done with the help of the dot gender. If you want to go with this one, so here I will just add them. Okay, so if I go and just start my TypeScript here, okay, main, right? So if you this is the way that you can define an object and its type, and you can get any of the object value with the help of the dot operator. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.